Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming essentials, Windows 10/11 and a Microsoft account. This avoids license delays. Once verified, choose subscription or one-time purchase. Subscription gives updates. Next, open Microsoft account settings and sign in. Make sure billing and security prompts are complete. Then, navigate to the Microsoft Store or Office portal. Use the same account you confirmed. Download starts immediately when you click Install, so monitor progress and keep internet active. Don't close the browser while it downloads. You'll run the installer you just downloaded. Choose default options unless you need a custom install location. During setup, accept the license and let the system make required changes. This ensures necessary runtime components install. Once installation finishes, launch PowerPoint. Sign in with the same Microsoft account to activate your license and sync templates, themes, and OneDrive. Make sure Auto Update is enabled so security patches install. If prompted, restart your PC to finalize integration and enable add-ins to load. You should verify activation under File, Account. If it shows activated, you're done with setup. Create a test presentation. Add slides, images, and save to OneDrive to confirm sync. Once done, customize Quick Access toolbar and default template so future work is faster. If PowerPoint fails to open or features are missing, run the built-in Office repair from Programs and Features. Make sure to note exact error messages. If repair fails, reinstall after uninstalling. Keep logs and account info ready for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.